If you want to find out the extension of any file of Windows 10, 11, 7 or any version of Windows, by default you will not be able to see the extension of this file. Suppose here we are seeing couple of files are there, but we don't know the extension. Same way, if I access the downloads folder, I am not able to see the extension of this file. So I cannot understand whether this is a text file or Word file or PowerPoint file, PDF file or batch file or something like that, or movie file. So how to enable this extension in Windows computer? If you are using Windows 11, then it is very simple and easy. The thing which you need to do at first, you need to open the file explorer. You can click here or anywhere, or Windows key, E key all together, and then you can access anywhere. And then you'll find on the top side like view. We just need to click here and it will be expanded, and we have to go down at the bottom of this menu, show, and we have to move our cursor over there, and it will expand it. Another couple of menu options are there. One of the option is file name extension. We just need to click here, and then the file name extension will be visible, and that's it. Is very simple and easy. In this way we can easily enable the file extension in Windows 11 computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.